Hey there, it's Benjamin with Textla, and today I'm going to be showing you how to manage your contact page inside Textla's platform. To start us off, I will show you how to upload a single contact manually. So you go to the top right, click New Contact, add a single contact, fill out the first name, last name, phone number, any tags or groups that you want associated with the contact, and then add. Tags and groups are just a segmenting option inside of Texta, so later on when you're creating your messaging and you want to reach a specific group or tag, you can filter through there and have your updated audience. Next, I'll show you how to upload an entire contact base. To do this, you need your contacts in a CSV file. For reference, a CSV file is shown here with first name, last name, phone number, and then these additional fields. Once you have your CSV file uploaded and updated, you go to the top right again, click Import Contacts, upload, find your file, open, select if you just want new contacts only, or if you want new and existing contacts just to update existing fields in the page. From there, you match the fields, review your information, make sure it's all correct, finish matching, and then they'll be uploaded into the platform. When it's uploaded in the platform, Texta will also check for duplicates to make sure you only have one contact in there. As shown here, 19 new numbers and one updated. The one that I added manually has been updated with a tag and a group. Next, if you want to filter through all your contacts that are in a certain group, you go to the top here, select the groups. If you want to do the same with tags, go to tags, select tags, and the same applies to keywords. If you want to export all of your contact list, you go to More, click the drop down, and click Export Contacts. From there, it'll send you a CSV file to your email. If you want to delete your contacts inside Textla's platform, go to the drop down again, click Delete Contacts, enter the delete to confirm, and then all the contacts will be removed. If you want to check on the status of your contacts, whether they are subscribed, lead, opted out, or invalid, that will be shown here. A subscribed contact is a contact that has explicitly said that they would like to receive messaging from your company. A lead is just a contact that receives inbox messaging. An opted out contact is someone that doesn't want to receive messaging and will not receive messaging. And then an invalid contact is a contact that might have a number that is a landline or is not in service anymore and doesn't receive messages. If you also want to manually add them to more groups and tags, you can do that here. That wraps it up for our contact features. I hope this helped.